and gentlemen, welcome to Schönefeld Airport. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt signs are off. Captain Onur Air and flight crew thank for flying with Onur Air and Fly to Sky, and hope to see you again on another Onur Air and Fly to Sky flight. From now on, you may use your mobile phones and electronic devices. Cabin crew and passengers will need special assistance after the boarding. Please leave infant life vests on your seat pockets in front of you. When you take out, make sure that you have taken all your personal belongings and handbags with you. Please refrain from smoking until leaving the terminal building. Goodbye.